Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you how to uninstall any application or software on your Windows 10. So first click on search bar and after that type here control panel and then just click on open. Then you will see this interface. Then click on uninstall a program, click on it and then here you will see all application that you have on your PC. So if I just right click on it and then as you can see I can uninstall this. So if you want to uninstall any application, just right click on it and then click on uninstall and they will ask for confirmation again and then just click on uninstall again. And thank you so much for watching. Please make sure subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Have a great day.